Well, this is a small video about unboxing the lock kit of Honda Aviator. So here what we are getting, so we are getting a key set, that is lock set, and two screws. So don't forget, before throwing this packet, must note this point that it also contains two screw with the thread locker. So what is the part number for Honda Aviator? This is the part number. And now most important, what is the cost here? So cost, you can see here, the cost is 600 rupees. So what we are getting in 600 rupees? So I already just removed everything. So here the first one, two screws, and if you see carefully, these screws contains three thread locker. You can see they already applied the thread locker here, green part. Okay, so here we are getting two screw. Where we have to put this two screws, I will show you. And now what we are getting in this packet. So here we have two keys. Here what is this number denotes? So this number denotes the key number. Okay, this is key number. So suppose you missed any key, so you can refer this key number and you can order new keys here. But most of the time that is very costly process, time consuming process. So most of the time we are just or changing the whole kit. So it is cheaper, because here we are getting the whole assembly for 600 rupees and labor cost hardly 100 or 150 rupees. So in 750 rupees you are getting a new lock. So ordering a new key, then waiting for the keys, that is very long process. So here we are getting two keys. This is for lock for that luggage, that seat lock. Okay, for opening the seat, and that for luggage box. Okay, and here is the main one, ignition. This is for ignition lock, and this is simple one. Now we have many new locks like smart lock, this that, but this is the old type Honda Aviator, simple. And we have to put these two screws here, one, and this will go in that frame, that handle frame, and this is the second one. Okay, so this is the unboxing video. If you like this video, share it among your friends and family. And at last, thank you for watching. Must subscribe this channel if you like automobiles, like videos about the automobiles, two-wheeler repairing. So please subscribe this channel. And at last, thank you.